Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is Powers and Functions of Parliament. In this video, we will be discussing about legislative and executive powers of Parliament. First, let us see legislative powers of Parliament. Indian Parliament has the exclusive power to make laws on subjects in Union List and on the residuary subjects. Also, in the case of concurrent list, the law of Parliament prevails over the law of state legislature in a case of conflict between the two. Normally, the Parliament makes laws in a skeleton form and it authorizes the executive to make detailed rules and regulations. This is known as delegated legislation or executive legislation or subordinate legislation. Next, all the ordinances issued by President becomes inoperative if it is not approved by Parliament within a set period. That is 6 weeks after the reassembly of that House. Now let us see the instances where the Constitution empowers Parliament to make laws on the subjects in the state list. They are when Rajya Sabha passes a resolution to that effect with 2/3 members present and voting. Next, when a proclamation of national emergency is in operation. Next, when two or more states make a joint request to the Parliament. Next, when necessary to give effect to international agreements, treaties and conventions. And finally, when President's rule is in operation in the state. Now, let us discuss about the executive powers and functions of the Parliament. In India, we have parliamentary form of government. That is, executive is responsible to the Parliament for its policies and acts. Hence, the Parliament exercises control over the executive through the following devices. They are question hour, 0 hour, half an hour discussion, short duration discussion, calling attention motion, adjournment motion, no confidence motion, censure motion, and such other discussions. Also, in India, the ministers are collectively responsible to the Parliament in general and to the Lok Sabha in particular. So, the Lok Sabha can also express lack of confidence in the government in the following ways. By not passing a motion of thanks on the President's inaugural address, by rejecting a money bill, by passing a censure motion or an adjournment motion, by defeating the government on a vital issue, and finally by passing a cut motion. Now let us see a previous year question based on this. The Parliament of India exercises control over the functions of Council of Ministers through 1. Adjournment motion, 2. Question hour, 3. Supplementary questions. As we discussed earlier, the answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.